Learn about the perfect solution for indoor humidity control, the Altaqua Grow Room Dehumidifier, designed for greenhouse dehumidification. The Altaqua Grow Room Dehumidifier removes more moisture at a set cost of electricity and reduces the amount of heat entering the growing space. It features precise humidity control, real-time data display, Wi-Fi remote control, powerful dehumidification, and high-efficiency performance to meet your needs. Altaqua Grow Room Dehumidifier is equipped with high-quality components designed for durability and performance. Each part is carefully selected to ensure reliable operation, optimal energy efficiency, and seamless integration with the overall system, providing growers with a robust solution for their climate control needs. Ideal for grow rooms, greenhouses, and indoor farming, maintaining the perfect environment for optimal crop growth.